Hey y'all, so this video tutorial is going to show you how to set up the Ellie Jane pricing table. What you would first do is click on Pages, then click Add New to create a new page. From there you'll want to give it a title and a short little paragraph about your services. After that I'm going to click the plus icon and I'm going to press enter and then click on this plus icon. I am looking for this median text block. If you don't see this option, just up here type in media and it will come up. This is where you can choose your image. So I'm going to go in here really quick and select an image that's from my site. If you don't have any images on your site yet or the one you want to use, just click on Upload Files to upload a new image. So I'm going to choose this image, click Select Files, and then from here I'm going to give it a heading. And this one is going to be called Starter Package. And again, you can change the title or heading and give it anything you want. Now to give it the script font that you see here, all you have to do is make it italic and that'll give it that script font once you publish it. So then I'm going to press enter and I'm going to give it a price, and we have the price of $95. So I'm going to put that right here, and I'm going to change this to a heading. I don't want this to be that same font, but if you wanted it also script like the one above, just change this to italic as well. I'm going to press enter and I'm going to add a paragraph font this time, or a paragraph block this time. For now, I'm just going to copy what I have written here and paste it below. Then I'm going to press enter again, and then I'm going to add a button block this time. So I don't see the option here to choose from, so I'm going to type it in here. There's the button block. I'm just going to put a name in here that says Purchase Now, and then you can link it wherever you want it to go. So I'm going to give it a link directly to my shop. So that, and then let's preview it so you can see how it looks. So this is how it looks so far. So one thing I noticed, I want to make it full width. I want to remove this sidebar. So to do that, we're going to click on the Genesis icon and select the full width layout. And that's all we have to do. And then you would want to link this Purchase Now button to like your PayPal account or wherever your customers would go to purchase that package. So on the Ellie Jane demo site, you can see how it's flipped. So this package, the image is on the left, but then this package, the image is on the right. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to click again this plus icon, click media and text. Right here's where you can choose which side you want the image to be on. So I'm going to change this, click on this where the image is on the right. I'm going to choose the image from my site and click select. And then everything we did up here, you would place that down here as well. So I am just going to I'm going to go to the demo site and just quickly copy this and paste it here, and then add a button. And then give it a link. Okay, so then again, you would do the same thing a third time. If you have a third package, you would do that again down here. Click media, text, and so on. So on the demo site, there is also a long call to action box that's here. So I am using a cover widget to do that. So in this search box, because the option's not available here, I'm going to type in cover. And I'm going to choose this setting and make it full width because I want it to go all the way from left to right. I also want this background to be this black color. So then here's where I can give it a paragraph. Let me see, go to the demo site. I'm going to copy what it says, let's talk pricing. I'm going to paste that here. I also want to change this color. So on the right side where it says color settings, it says text color. I'm going to choose this mauve color. I'm going to press enter and I want another block, but this time I want it to be a heading instead of a paragraph. I'm going to copy this really quick and paste it here. I also want this to be centered. Let me see, I want this to be center aligned as well. I think it was already centered. Okay, and then now this is centered. And then to add a button, just like we've done before, choose your button. I'm going to say purchase now. I also want this button aligned, so I'm going to change that to align center and then give it a link. And that's it. And that's how we created this long call to action box here. Now, the visitors and customers, potential customers, will also like to see your packages and the bullet list about them. They like to compare them and see them side by side. So this is also good to have on your page. So to add that, you'll see this tutorial in your Ellie Jane tutorial. So you'll scroll down. You would copy all the code that's in this box. Go back to your page editor. We're going to search for a custom HTML block and click on custom HTML. And then I'm just going to paste that code we copied in the tutorial. And then you can go in and you can change the title and the price. These are the bullet points where it says list item number 1. You can go and change those bullet points to your bullet points. And the purchase button, you can change the link to the purchase button right here. You can also change the word purchase if you wanted it to say something else besides purchase. So I'm going to preview this page after we've made the changes we've made, just to make sure everything looks the way we want it set up. And there you go. We have our purchase buttons, our packages. There's a third package on the demo site, but I didn't add it on this one for the example. Here's our wide call to action box. Here's the pricing table side by side, the comparison. And then again, you can go down here to the bottom. If you have more to say, you can add a paragraph and so on. So that is how we set up the pricing table page on the Ellie Jane site.